Hello guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you an example from my math lab. This is in homework 1.2. This is my number 33, but everybody's homeworks might be different, so your graph might look a little different on your number 33. So this question's asking for multiple pieces, so we're just going to go through each one. The first one is asking for the function's domain. So I'm going to zoom in on the graph here. Okay, the domain, remember, are the x values. Okay, the x values that the function is using. My mouse is acting up. There it goes. Okay, so one thing we have to notice is the arrows on the end here. The arrows imply that the function is continuing in both directions. Okay, so that means I am using all of these x values and I'm using all of these x values. So if we're using all of the x values, then my domain goes from the farthest left, which is negative infinity. Whoops, I missed the negative. There we go. Negative infinity, comma, positive infinity, and those get parentheses. Get check answer. The range is a little different. The range is going, here's my highest y value, and then it's going down forever, right? Down, 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 down. So if it has a maximum like that, but then it's going down forever, the lowest y value is negative infinity, but the highest y value was here, negative 1. Now one thing you have to pay attention to is watch the tick mark. Sometimes my math lab will change it where every tick mark is going by 2s or every tick mark is going by 5s. So you got to pay attention. But these are just going by 1s. So that's negative 1. And that is a point. That's not an open circle. That's a solid point. So that gets a bracket. Okay. It says find the x-intercepts if there are any. There are not. It never even reaches the x-axis, so there are no x-intercepts. Says find the y-intercepts if there are any. The y-intercept is here at negative 4. So notice it says type an integer. It does not say type an ordered pair. So we are only going to type negative 4. If there were multiple answers, we would use a comma in between each one. Okay? The next thing says find the values of the function. Now this is using function notation. Remember, in the parentheses is our x value, And what we want as the answer would be our y value. So in the parentheses was the x value negative 5. If I go on my x-axis to negative 5, the corresponding y value is negative 3. So f of negative 5 is negative 3. This is the x value. The answer is the y value. If I go to f of negative 1, I go down here, also negative 3. Okay, also negative 3. And it says great work. All right, that should be it for that question. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you have any questions, just let me know.